Hello everyone, welcome to GK Today. Today's topic of discussion is Russia suspended from UN Human Rights Council. So without wasting any further time, let's start the video. Recently, Russia was suspended from the UN Human Rights Council after the 193 member General Assembly voted to adopt a resolution moved by the United States over allegations that Russian troops killed civilians while pulling back from towns around the Ukrainian capital of Kiev. And if we talk more about the resolution, then the resolution was titled as Suspension of the Rights of Membership of the Russian Federation in the Human Rights Council. And this resolution was adopted with 93 votes in favor, 24 against, and 58 abstentions, including India. With this, Russia has become the second country to have its membership rights stripped at the Rights Council, which was established in 2006. In 2011, Libya was suspended by the Assembly when upheaval in the North African country brought down long-time leader Muammar Gaddafi. Since January this year, India has abstained on procedural votes and draft resolution in the UN Security Council, the General Assembly, and the Human Rights Council that disapproved of Russian aggression against Ukraine. The resolution also expresses grave concerns over the ongoing human rights and humanitarian crisis in Ukraine, particularly over the reports of violence and abuses of human rights and violation of international humanitarian law by Russia. Now we will understand some points about UNHRC. The United Nations Human Rights Council consists of 47 member states who are elected directly and individually by secret ballot by the majority of the UNGA members. The General Assembly, with its two-thirds majority of the members present and voting, may suspend the right of a membership in the Council of a member of the Council that commits gross and systematic violations of human rights, and in this case, abstentions don't count. So, that's all for the update. Thanks for watching.